Hi friends, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. We are releasing 2 volumes of OSCE books for Conceptual Orthopedics now. Volume 1, Volume 2. The special feature is, it is system wise and it covers the entire spectrum. The second special feature, which is the feature of Conceptual Orthopedics throughout, it has been carved and curated by the excellent faculties. But adding to the spice, our own Dr. Harpreet sir thought, why don't we create a next level of learning experience for our students? So what he did was, he would have a question or any learning experience and put a QR code there. What you need to do is scan that QR code. The moment you scan that QR code, you will reach to that particular sign or gate or any feature that he needs to show you. So if you are a premium subscriber, you will reach to the video in the video, minute and seconds exactly. If you are not a premium subscriber, then our marketing team will get back to you. Continuing further, in this way, in the entire book, most of the videos have been integrated with the content that we have. So this is a hybrid mode of learning. I think what he has thought of has never been thought of in this country, probably never in the world. But if you go through it, this will be the next level of learning for you, because while creating the book, we have understood the lines Professor S. N. Tully gave us, the learning never ends. So for teaching, you have to be the best student, and I think this example will take conceptual orthopedics closer to the students and you closer to the understanding and retaining more with visual memory of the theory page number integrated with the video number. So this is what we are looking for, the new books, and if our team works on their foot, this is going to reach to you before the people are writing their exam at the month end. Thank you very much.